Hi Stellars! Welcome back to Tartella PH. At sa mga bago sa akin channel, welcome sa inyong lahat. Today, meron po tayong mini reading for the sign of Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. So, very short reading lamang po ito and it's also a general reading. So, hindi lahat makakapag-resonate dito sa reading na to. But if you need a personal reading with me, you can check out my Facebook page or my Etsy shop, or you can also email me. So, mga social media links ko po ay nasa description box below. So, please check it out. Alright, so Aries, let's see your reading. We have here Fate. Okay, sabi dito, Fate is guiding and helping this connection. Luck is with you. Sabi naman dito, I can forgive you even if you don't say you're sorry. Reconciliation. We have here Renaissance, recovery, new dawn, awakening. Okay, so I have a feeling na sobrang tagal nyo ng magjowa or mag-asawa. Nagkalabuan kayo nitong tao na to, nag-away kayo. May long history kayo nitong person na to. And parehas pa kayong hindi naka-recover sa lahat na nangyari sa inyong dalawa. But I have a feeling na the universe is doing its job to, alam mo yun, parang i-connect pa kayong dalawa or magkaroon kayo ng recovery sa relationship nyo. For some of you, you probably annulled, separated for a long time, or divorce, or talagang no communication kayo nitong tao na to. But I think fate is doing its best to really help you out with your connection kasi nakakita ko yung isa sa inyo is very prayerful at yung mga prayers nitong tao na to, alam mo yun, the universe is listening to it. God is listening to it. So, I think everyone, the bigger, alam mo yun, kung sino man yung pinaniniwalaan nyo, the bigger element here is the ones who's guiding you to reconcile back with each other. Now, let's clarify these energies for you, Aries. Okay, we have 10 of Cups. Wow. Okay, 9 of Swords. Got 3 of Wands. Yes, definitely may confirmation that you are away from each other, but you still do have so much love. Kasi nandun yung 10 of Cups eh. So, kaya nga sinabi ko kanina, probably married kayo nitong tao na to. That's why you have the 10 of Cups. So, definitely you already have built up a very long connection, a very strong connection long time ago. And you also probably have some kids with you. Pero hindi kayo at peace na magkahiwalay kayo. We have the 9 of Swords here, or probably somebody here in this connection is very anxious, very worried. Yung walang peace of mind, sometimes always in a bad energy, always in a bad mood. That's the 9 of Swords, not having any peace at all. A very restless energy here, despite the fact that nandun yung love and nandun din yung longing that someday you will be able to, reconcile back or fix what is broken between the two of you. We have the 3 of Wands, which is definitely a sign na talagang somebody is waiting for you or somebody is waiting out there to fix the relationship. Pero physically separated kayo. Alright, so this is your mini reading, Aries. Thank you so much for coming here in this channel. And I hope this reading helped you somehow. And I also hope that I will be able to see you next time. Love and light. Namaste.